Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best scenery in Canada. From majestic mountains to serene lakes, Canada has it all. Let's dive in. Our first stop is Banff National Park, a wonderland of natural beauty nestled in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. Imagine standing on the shores of Lake Louise, its emerald waters reflecting the towering Victoria Glacier. Hike through pristine forests, where every step brings you closer to nature. Encounter wildlife like elk and bighorn sheep, roaming freely in their natural habitat. And after a day of adventure, soak in natural hot springs, letting the warm waters melt away your stress. Picture yourself driving along the Icefields Parkway, one of the most scenic drives in the world. This iconic route offers unparalleled views. The road winds through valleys carved by glaciers, past cascading waterfalls that glisten in the sunlight, and alongside meadows carpeted in wildflowers, painting the landscape with vibrant colors. Every turn reveals a new breathtaking view, each more stunning than the last. Banff National Park is a place that will stay with you long after you've left. The memories you create here will be cherished forever. It's a reminder that there are still places on Earth where nature reigns supreme, untouched and pure, waiting to be explored. Nestled in Banff National Park lies Lake Louise, a shimmering turquoise gem. The water is a shade of turquoise so vibrant it seems to glow, reflecting the azure sky above. Towering above the lake is the majestic Victoria Glacier. Rent a canoe and paddle out onto the tranquil waters, surrounded by the silence of the mountains. In the winter, Lake Louise transforms into a magical winter wonderland. Imagine ice skating on the frozen lake, the crisp air biting at your cheeks. Whether you visit in the summer or winter, Lake Louise is unforgettable. It's a place where beauty reigns supreme. Just north of Banff lies Jasper National Park, a vast wilderness. Imagine standing on the shores of Maligne Lake, its deep blue waters mirroring the surrounding peaks. Embark on a hike through the park's extensive trail system. Feel the earth beneath your boots, breathe in the crisp mountain air, and listen to the symphony of sounds. Keep an eye out for the park's diverse wildlife, including black bears, elk, and mountain goats. Jasper National Park is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's a place to reconnect with the natural world. From the majestic peaks of the Rockies, we journey eastward to the rugged Atlantic coast, where the legendary Cabot Trail awaits us with open arms. This iconic route winds gracefully along Cape Breton Island in Nova Scotia, offering breathtaking views of the vast Atlantic Ocean and its dramatic towering cliffs. Imagine cruising along this coastal highway, the salty ocean air whipping through your hair, filling your lungs with the fresh scent of the sea. Along the way, stop at scenic lookouts to capture stunning photos of the iconic Cabot Trail Lighthouse, standing tall against the backdrop of the endless ocean. In the fall, the Cabot Trail transforms into a mesmerizing kaleidoscope of colors, with vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows painting the landscape. It's a sight that will leave you breathless, a true testament to the beauty of nature's changing seasons. The Cabot Trail is more than just a scenic drive. It's a journey through Cape Breton's rich culture and history, with landmarks and stories that date back centuries. Stop in at charming fishing villages along the way, sample the freshest seafood you've ever tasted, and listen to the captivating tales of the sea from the friendly locals who call this place home. As the sun sets over the Cabot Trail, the sky is painted with hues of pink and orange, creating a serene and peaceful end to an unforgettable journey. Our journey takes us to Niagara Falls, one of the most iconic natural wonders of the world. This majestic waterfall straddles the border between the United States and Canada, drawing millions of visitors each year. Imagine standing on the brink of the falls, feeling the mist on your face as millions of gallons of water cascade over the precipice. The roar of the water is deafening, a constant reminder of nature's raw power. Take a boat ride on the Maid of the Mist and venture right up to the base of the falls. The experience is both exhilarating and humbling, as you feel the sheer force of the water up close. Or descend into the tunnels behind the falls and witness the awesome power of nature from behind the curtain of water. The tunnels offer a unique perspective, allowing you to see the falls from within. As night falls, Niagara Falls is illuminated in a dazzling display of lights. Stroll along the promenade and watch as the falls glow in a rainbow of colors. The nightly illumination transforms the falls into a magical spectacle, enchanting visitors of all ages. Niagara Falls is a testament to the awe-inspiring power of nature. Whether you visit during the day or at night, the falls leave an indelible impression, reminding us of the beauty and strength of the natural world. From Niagara Falls, we journey to Prince Edward Island, Canada's smallest province. Known for its rolling hills, red sand beaches, and charming countryside, Prince Edward Island offers a slower pace of life. Imagine strolling along the beach, the soft red sand beneath your feet. Explore the island's charming towns and villages, each with its own unique character and history. Visit Green Gables Heritage Place, the inspiration for Lucy Maud Montgomery's beloved novels. Prince Edward Island is a place to relax, recharge, and rediscover the simple joys of life. Our journey continues to Grosmorn National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is a testament to the power of geological forces, with its towering cliffs, deep fjords, and unique rock formations. Imagine hiking through the long-range mountains, their ancient peaks sculpted by glaciers. Take a boat tour through Western Brook Pond, a freshwater fjord carved by glaciers. Explore the Tablelands, a unique geological formation where the Earth's mantle is exposed. Grosmorn National Park is a place where you can witness the immense power of the Earth's geological forces. It's a place where the planet's history is written in the rocks. Nestled in the valley of the 10 Peaks in Banff National Park lies Moraine Lake. This glacially fed lake is famous for its vibrant turquoise waters. Imagine arriving at Moraine Lake just as the sun begins to rise, casting a golden glow on the surrounding peaks. Hike to the top of the rock pile for panoramic views of the lake and surrounding peaks. Rent a canoe and paddle out onto the tranquil waters, surrounded by the silence of the mountains. Moraine Lake is a photographer's paradise, with its stunning scenery and constantly changing light. Our final stop is Yoho National Park, a hidden gem in the Canadian Rockies. Yoho, which means awe and wonder, is a fitting name for this park. Imagine standing at the base of Takakau Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in Canada. Hike to Emerald Lake, its turquoise waters reflecting the surrounding peaks. Explore the Burgess Shale fossil beds, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yoho National Park is a place to reconnect with nature and find solitude in the heart of the Canadian Rockies. That's it for our tour of the best scenery in Canada. We hope this video has inspired you to add Canada to your travel bucket list. Thanks for watching.